So, hello guys. It's, like 5:40 in the morning, 5:37, because I have no life. I have no life. um, so this is just to let you know, like, don't freak out when you hear a bunch of beeps on your computer. So this is a inspiron 15 from Dell 300 series, and what I find out, this is for like one of my friends that works with me, and he asked me, hey, can you take a look at my computer? Keeps beeping a lot of times, like 5 times every time I turn it on. I haven't used it in a while because I thought it was gonna, like, it was something bad. But he has this computer for, he explained to be like 5 years, still running Windows 8. I gotta ask if he actually wants me to upgrade it to Windows 10. Maybe not. Sometimes people are comfortable with other operating systems. You can't really tell them, hey, Windows 10 is the best thing, you should upgrade. Sometimes people feel more comfortable with Windows 7, Windows 8, I don't know, Windows Vista. I'm not gonna say any comments there, but so it beeps 5 times, and I went to a forum that basically states, if you see here, that if it beeps 5 times, is the CMOS battery. So that's the only thing that he needs to replace. And you could get a CMOS battery. I believe this is the right number over here. CR2032. So when you go to, like, let's say a pharmacy and you're looking for the battery, you could find that. You could just have to ask for that model number, and eventually what you have to do is you have to open the laptop and basically replace it. It could be around here where the hard drive is, or you might have to open the whole entire thing. See, like right now it beep like once, but it was because of the sleep mode. That's what I think, but I could be wrong. But yeah, that's basically it. Alright, yeah, I had to block this since it has a email attached to it. So, but anyways, have a good day, and I'll replace the battery later.